Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to easily view just your starred emails in Gmail and filter out all those unwanted calendar updates using the updated app on your Android or iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. You'll usually find the red and white envelope icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap to launch Gmail and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to manage. Next, look to the very top left of your screen. You'll see the menu icon, those three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on that icon, and a side menu will slide out, giving you quick access to different labels and folders. Now, in that menu, scroll until you spot the starred label. Give it a tap. This section displays all the emails you've marked as important with a star, making it easy to find those messages that matter most. If you haven't starred emails before, just look for that star icon next to an email in your inbox. Tap it so it turns yellow, and it'll show up in your starred folder. Here's where the update comes in. Right below the Gmail search bar, you'll notice a row of filter options. Look for Exclude Calendar Updates. Tap this filter. Instantly, your list updates to show only starred emails that are not related to calendar events, invites, or updates. This helps cut through the clutter, so you focus just on the emails you need. That's all it takes. 4 simple steps to streamline your inbox. No more digging through endless reminders or event notifications just to find that urgent flagged message. With these quick actions, your Gmail stays organized, relevant, and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with friends or coworkers who rely on Gmail daily. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.